Good morning. So we're going to work on our slope review. So that's going to be slope. It's going to go on page 3. Distance formula we're going to do on page 4. So we're going to go ahead and go page 3. Okay, and we're going to work on going over slope. So everybody should be writing these in your notebook. We will be using this with polygon, with parallel lines, with transversal. So you will see us use slope. We use slope in geometry. So how can we find the slope? Using 2 points. Okay, so slope. So our slope formula is equal to change in y, and that symbol, that triangle symbol, means delta over change in x, and it's y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. We do want to make sure that we're going left to right on the graph as far as which one is going to be our first point or our second point. Okay, so this is our slope formula. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started on working on this. So we have, let's say we have 2 points. So we have 2, -1, and 1, 3. If I did a quick sketch of the graph of these points, so 1, 2. Okay, so 2 down to -1, and then 1, 3, okay, would be right here. So you see that this one is actually our first point, and I'm always going to label them. Okay, so this is our B point, and this is our A point. This is A, and this is B. Okay, now we're going to use our formula. We're going to substitute it in. So it's going to be -1 minus 3 over 2 minus 1. We're going to do keep, change, change, keep, change, change. It's going to be -4 over 1. Two. So same sign, just add. Opposite sign, subtract. Add the sign of the larger number. So our slope is going to be -4. -4 divided by 1 is 4. Okay, we got this. Okay, let's do another example. So let's say we have one. So I have 12, -1, and a 14, 3. Another way everybody can do is just look at the x value. So 12 is less than 14, so that's going to be the first one. 14 is going to be our second point. So just looking at our x values. So write it out again. So slope, everybody remember, is the rate of change. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and substitute them in. So I'm going to do 3 minus -1 over 14 minus 12. Okay, we're going to do our keep, change, keep, change. Same sign, just add. 3 plus 1 is going to be 4. 14 plus negative 12, opposite sign, subtract, is going to be 2. Okay, so 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that would be our slope. Okay, let's look at another example. So if we're going to draw a graph out, okay, so this is our y, this is our x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Positive 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay, so we're going to look at this. We're going to go, okay, so if we have points, so negative 3 down to negative 5. Negative 3. This is at negative 5. And then the other point I'm going to do is going to be at 6, 4. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 would be right there. And everybody, you are writing this in your notebook as well. Okay. So this is going to be our A point. This is our B point. Okay. Of course, everybody, we're going to take and we're going to label them. Okay. So this one's going to be our first one. And B is our second point. And we're going to substitute it in. Okay. So I'm going to write the formula. I'm going to get in the habit of writing the formulas. I'll help you remember them. Okay, and we're just going to substitute our points in. So it's going to be, sorry, I'm going to move it down one line just so we can see it better. So it's going to be 4 minus negative 5 over 6 minus negative 3. Okay, we're going to do, or we do keep, change, keep, change. And then we're going to add them up. So it's going to be 4 plus 5, 9. 6 plus 3 is also 9. 9 divided by 9 is going to be 1. So our slope is 1. You got this, everybody.